kinky artists. Let's bring FunBot from the Incredibox mod Sprunki to life. Let's get started and dive into the world of beatboxing and fun. FunBot is a groove-tastic character filled with energy and rhythm, spreading joy wherever he goes. His cheerful colors and upbeat personality make him a fan favorite. FunBot loves creating unique beats that get everyone dancing. Can you make a fun beat like FunBot? Let's try together. Boom chicka boom boom. His bright and cheerful colors reflect his fun-loving personality. How would FunBot say hello? Would it be a funny sound or a cool dance move? He's known for his spinning dance move while beatboxing. FunBot's signature line is, "Feel the beat, move your feet." He sometimes changes his accessories, like hats and visors, depending on the music. His glowing LED eyes change patterns to match the rhythm of the music. Amazing! We've drawn FunBot and added all the fun details that make him special. Now, it's time to color this groovy robot. Grab your crayons or markers and let's make FunBot shine. FunBot gets along with every character and always starts dance parties. What kind of party would you invite FunBot to? A birthday, a music festival, or a robot parade? In any mix, FunBot always steals the show with his catchy rhythms. If FunBot could beatbox any song for you, what would you pick? He runs on a special battery that recharges with music. FunBot can transform beats into energy that powers all the other characters. If FunBot could be friends with any other character, who would it be? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. What's the first move FunBot might do in a dance-off? Can you guess? Can you name a new beat FunBot could create? Maybe Zap Bop Groove or Techno Twirl. job! Our FunBot drawing looks incredible! Take a step back and give yourself a round of applause for our amazing artwork. Remember, the joy is in the process, so keep having fun with your art. See you next time for more creative adventures.